In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set automatic slide timing in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted your slides to advance on their own during a presentation, or you're preparing a self-running slideshow for an event, setting automatic timings is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your presentation will play smoothly without you having to touch a thing. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure you're on the normal view, where you can see your slides on the left and the main slide in the center. Choose the slide where you'd like to start using automatic timings. You can apply timings to just a few slides or to the entire presentation, so don't worry if you change your mind later. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and click on the Transitions tab. This is where PowerPoint controls how your slides move from one to the next, and it's also where you'll find the timing options. On the right-hand side of the Transitions tab, look for the section labeled Timing. You should see an option that says After, usually with a box to enter a time. By default, slides are set to advance. On mouse click. To make them automatic, uncheck the on mouse click box, then check the After box. Now, type in how long you want this slide to stay on the screen. For example, if you want it visible for 5 seconds, enter 00005. If it's a slide with more text or complex visuals, you might want 10 or 15 seconds instead. Once you've set a time for that slide, you can click Apply to All if you want every slide in your presentation to use the same timing. This is helpful for simple slideshows where each slide should show for the same amount of time. If different slides need different durations, skip Apply to All and set the timing individually for each slide by repeating the process. After you've adjusted your timings, it's important to preview them. Go to the Slideshow tab and choose from Beginning, or start from the current slide. Let the slideshow run without clicking. Watch how long each slide stays on screen and see if the pacing feels right. If a slide changes too quickly or lingers too long, stop the show, go back to that slide, and tweak the timing value. When everything looks good, save your presentation. Your slides will now advance automatically based on the timings you've set, giving you a smooth, hands-free presentation experience.